Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. We're going to be trying some new Givenchy Holiday items as well as a new shade of the new Lisa Eldridge, the foundation. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So today I'm going to be trying out number 31 in the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin foundation. I want to see how that wears and how it looks on my complexion, and hopefully that helps you guys out if you were looking into purchasing the foundation. I did upload that review yesterday, so hopefully that helps. But we're going to try 31 today, so I'm just going to apply a bit. I have a little sample package if you watch that previous video. I'm going to end with the Sonia G Jumbo Base. Zoomed in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what the shade is looking like. I'm so confused. I don't know. I mean, this looks good too. I think this one blends right in too, but the 32 looks good as well when I initially applied it, and when I was looking back at the footage too, it looks good. So I feel like it could fit into multiple shades, like I said in the previous video. So this is what 31 looks like. So we'll continue just doing our makeup with 31 today. Hopefully this helps you guys. I'm going to go in with the same items that I used with the foundation. This is the Tom Ford shade Illuminate 7W0. Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Concealer 430. While that sets, Anastasia cream bronzer. I've been using the same stuff lately, you guys. It's just my favorites, so this is what I've been using. Today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder in the shade 4.0. Wayne Goss Artist Brush number 2. This is what it looks like. 31 on my skin. This looks good too. That's a good thing though. At least I got some shades that can fit a couple of people, so I'm actually not mad at that. So going in with the colored Raine matte bronzer in Naughty Spice. I love this bronzer. It's really good and it's affordable. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and try this highlighter today. I'm so excited about this thing. This is the Givenchy Prisme Libre highlighter in the shade Organza OR. Oh, you guys, it's so pretty. It's like a pinky rose gold situation. This is the component. I showed you this in my haul video. This is limited edition, you guys. I picked it up from Sephora, but it is no longer available at Sephora. I'm sorry about that. But it is still available on Givenchy. $46, I believe, or $48. I'll put the correct price on the screen. So if you were interested in trying it, go to Givenchy and purchase it. Sorry, you won't get like an additional discount from Sephora if you were looking to use a code or something. But if you want it, it's available. Going in with the refer number 19. Oh wow. Whoa, I picked up a lot. I always do this with highlighter. Oh, that's really pretty though. What a beautiful formula. It doesn't have a lot of shimmer in it, like a lot of glitter, which I like a lot. You do see a bit of pink on the skin. Let me tone it down up there. There we go. I like the formula. Well, they need to come out with more colors in this. This is pretty. Just picking up less now. I feel like that side always gets a lot of highlighter. Yeah, there we go. Let me put it on my forehead so you can see a little bit better. Look at that, you guys. It blends very easily too for a loose highlighter. It's not getting stuck on anything. This is pretty. I love this formula. Love this formula. Oh, wow. Okay, loose highlighters. They did the thing with this one. I like the color on my skin tone too. It can come off a little icy if you use too much. Like on this side, the sheen that it's giving my skin right now, absolutely beautiful. I love this. Wow. You guys, y'all better run out and get that before it sells out because that's crazy. Limited edition. They need to come out with more colors, make that a permanent product. I'm going in with my LYS lip oil because my lips are hella dry. Alright guys, so did I need to try any more cheek products? Yeah, I didn't put on blush. I'm just going to go in with my Armani Neo Nude blush. This is in the shade 45. I love to use the number 4 from Refer with this blush. Look at that. So pretty. This thing just blends itself, I'm telling you. Such a great formula. It goes in and out of stock on Sephora, so you guys really have to like sign up for email notification for this thing if you want to try it, or if you want more colors like I do, because it's always selling out. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I will come back and I will show you which eyeshadow I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so I have my brows done. I just use the usual, my Gucci brow pencil in the shade Noir and Patrick Tara brow lamination brow gel. So this is what my brows are looking like. We're going to go in with our eyeshadow palette. So we're using the Wild Obsession from Huda Beauty in the shade Jaguar. So this is what Jaguar looks like. A cool tone palette. It has some silvers, purples, black. Really pretty. It does have like this little gold right here, like a greeny gold. But I'm going to be concentrating with like the silvers today because I do want to try that Givenchy lipstick. So I don't think this purple and the red would work for, you know, what I'm going for. You can do that if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and smooth out my lids because I have concealer there. We're just going to use that as our eyeshadow base. Let's go in with this one right here. Let's try it. See what it looks like. Going up with the number 27 from Sephora collection. Okay, that's decent. Let's make a halo eye today. Blended very nicely. I do feel like it's a flattering cool tone. I'm not into cool tone, you guys. But this is flattering so far. I think I need to get used to just doing it, see how I feel about it, because I like it on other people, but whenever I do it on myself, I'm just like, no. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here. That's pretty. It has like a marbled effect to it, with like some black in it, and a chrome. I'm using a flat brush. I'm gonna place that here. That's pretty. I'm gonna go in with the smaller brush. They don't make this anymore, but it's the number 17 from Sephora with the black. And apply it on the outer portion of the halo. Is it doing anything? Let me use a flat shadow brush because this is taking too long. So I'm keeping majority of the black by the lash line and then blended up the remainder onto the outer corner close to the crease. There we go. But more blown out, going upwards, more concentration on the lash line. Same thing on this side. There we go. Going in with that first initial color, just blending the edges. Alright, there we go. This is so pretty. Okay, cool tones. May I've been lying to myself lately. The depth is there though in this palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. See if I can brighten up this lid. Because the other shade was definitely more chrome. I'm gonna place that right in the center. It's giving it a little bit more glitter. Yeah, it's brighter. You see the difference? Yes. Concentrating it closer to the lash line and just blending it up slightly. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line with a bit of the black, apply some mascara and lashes because you know it's a smoky eye. And then I will come back and I'll show you this lipstick that I'm so excited about. Alright guys, I have my lashes on. So this is what my eyes are looking like with the lashes. They look good. Yes, cool toned halo effect. We love to see it. It looks very sultry, you know, even though it's 9 o'clock in the morning, but you know, here we are. So for the lipstick, we're going to be going in with the Givenchy Deep Velvet lipstick. Yeah, this is limited edition again, and it's in the shade 37 Rouge Green. And that is what the color looks like. So pretty. Oh, wow, that was creamy. And that's what it looks like on my skin tone. Just swatched. And let's apply the lipstick. Okay, pigmentation straight on. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is a very flattering red. I think that is gonna look good on everybody. It's just very, very pretty. It's a true red. I love this. So pretty. Alright guys, so this is my completed look. I loved how everything turned out today. I only really tried 3 new products, but this Get Ready With Me shows you how number 31 of the Lisa Eldridge, the foundation, looks on my skin, so hopefully that helps. I think that the eyeshadow palette blended very easily. Sometimes Huda's formula can be a little, wonky depending on the type of shadow it is, but for the most part, the 3 shadows that I use, I feel like the mattes blended very well. I like that a lot. The oh, 4 shadows. The 2 shimmers that I used, the first one was more of a sheen sort of situation, more charcoaly color, not very vibrant. But the second one had a little bit more glitter in it, a little bit more metallic upon application. I do feel like the first color may have applied a little bit better with my finger as opposed to a brush, but I do like the way that my eyeshadow turned out. I like this eyeshadow palette. I'm like, oh, I need to try some more cool tone situations because I think that the depth on this palette works really well for my skin tone, and I like the way that it turned out. The highlighter, it's beautiful. If you guys can get your hand on it, just pick it up. The formula is amazing. Givenchy, y'all need to come out with some more loose highlighters because this is beautiful. The blush I'm already used to, but if you guys haven't seen me apply that, that's what the Neo Nude looks like. Love that blush. And this lipstick, this is so comfortable. You have this nice like satin finish on my lip. It's a bit of a sheen, but not shiny. Very comfortable. I cannot feel it at all. We'll see how it wears, but I am going to be having on a mask today, so it's probably going to come off, if I'm being honest. But I'm going to actually take that with me so I can reapply because I love the way that this looks. And I'm very impressed with the formula of everything that I've tried lately. I feel like everything has been good, and I'm not upset with that, because you're spending your money, you want to make sure things are good. But I'm really, really impressed with the Givenchy loose highlighter. I like that a lot. So everything will be linked down below in the description box if you're interested in trying anything out. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordine. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!